Your Gmail was hacked, or you forgot the password, and now Google is asking you to prove you're you. You enter your email. You try your old password. Then Google asks for a recovery phone number or email you no longer have access to. And sometimes, even when you know the account is yours, Google doesn't recognize the device you're using. If that sounds familiar,
Don't panic. And definitely don't start randomly clicking recovery options.
there are two recovery processes, and knowing how to approach them can make a huge difference.
First, go through Google's official account recovery process and enter the information as accurately as possible. Use a device, browser, and location you've previously used with the account whenever possible.
If Google asks for an old password you remember, use the most recent one you can accurately recall. And if you still have access to any recovery email, phone number, or previously trusted device, use it. But here's where things get complicated. What if the hacker changed your recovery information? What if you forgot the password, lost the recovery phone, lost access to the recovery email, and Google doesn't recognize your current device? That's when repeatedly guessing passwords or submitting random information can become frustrating and sometimes completely unproductive. This is also where experience matters. Cybersecurity professionals and ethical security experts who regularly deal with account security problems can help you understand what information you still have, which legitimate recovery options apply, and how to avoid making the situation worse. And if you're completely new to this, you don't have to figure everything out by yourself. We put together a helpful resource that walks you through the proper Gmail recovery approach step by step, including what to do when your recovery email or phone is unavailable. Check the pinned comment for the resource and follow the steps carefully. If this kind of practical cybersecurity breakdown helps you, subscribe, because we're breaking down real account recovery problems and showing you how to approach them properly. One more thing. If your Gmail was hacked, act quickly. Once you regain access, immediately secure the account. Review recent security activity. Change your password. Check recovery information. And enable stronger account protection. Because recovering the account is only half the job. Keeping the attacker out is the part that comes next. Have you ever been locked out of your own Gmail even though you knew it was yours? Tell me what happened in the comments, and send this video to someone who needs it.